Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I upload. And in today's video, I'm super excited to announce that I am doing another collaboration with Tia Bella Beauty. Make sure you guys go check her out after you've done watched this video. Definitely go check out her Instagram. She's always doing a lot of fun nail videos. She does fantastic, you guys. So we are actually doing February. So happy birthday, all of my Aquariuses out there. This is your time to shine, sweetheart. This is the month of February. Duh. If you guys did not know, Aquariuses are from January 21st to February 20th. You can see right here, I have my amethyst laid out just to give me some high vibes, some good vibrations. This video, not only a collaboration, but I'm also introducing to my channel a short version of the longer version of nails that I'll be doing. What I mean by that is, and I'm not going to do it in every single video. If you guys like this, you comment down below, let me know what you think. So on my right hand, I'm going to be doing short nails. On my left hand, I'm going to be doing the long nails like I like. On my right hand, I have my design that we are going to be doing in the longer version. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, what I used, and how you can achieve this look if you want. Something different. I think you guys are going to really enjoy this. Always want to do is make sure your nails are prepped and ready for any nail enhancement. I'm going to pop my prep steps up on the screen. I did go in with my foil glue. It's a regular foil glue as a peel off base method. On this hand, I have used my BT Art Box short square nails. I really do enjoy these. This is the BT Art Box False Full Cover nails. They really fit my nails nice. The nails I'm using on my left hand today will be my Enail Couture Maximum Square, or you can get these on AliExpress and they're called 3XL. All right, once the nails come out of the lamp, you're going to want to go ahead and buff the surface shine, which I've already done. I'm going to take my Max Enail Couture glitter. And this came in the African Princess pack. Now, Aquarius's power color is blue, and there is a little bit of blue in here, so that's why I wanted to use it. I'm going to use my really thick base coat by SXC. So what you're going to do is you're going to flip your nails over, and I'm going to go to about like a little more than halfway. I'm going to apply that thick base. And I'm going to have enough in there so that glitter will grab a hold of that. I'm going to do that with all my nails. I actually use a small acrylic brush. This is a number 6 by Max Estrada by Enail Couture. This is his new Lunar New Year acrylic brush, okay? And I just dip my brush in here a little bit. Look at that gorgeous glitter. What I'm going to do is just, I pick up a little bit of that glitter and I'm just going to lay it down in there. It doesn't have to be any rhyme or rhythm. Just pick it up, place it in, make sure it's laying flat. You can sprinkle it in here if that is easier for you. All right, once you have that part, go ahead and do I would say about a 30-second cure, because we're going to fully cure them later. My SXC top coat. And I'm going to top coat the underside of these nails real quick. I'm just going to go ahead and go over all that glitter. That's going to encapsulate those. And then it's also going to make it, you know, a lot shinier. Once your top coat is applied on the underside, go ahead and give that a full 60-second cure. All right, once that is completely cured, now it's time to go in with our gel polish. And I used 2 different gel polishes in the video. 2 gel polishes that we'll be using is the Galaxy Space Kitty 5D Cat Eye. This one is number 43, and this was his Jelly Bean collection. Then this is the Fun Gel, number 162, Flash Gel. Oh, you can go ahead and lay down a base coat. I'm going to be popping these off, so I'm not going to apply a base. I'm not going to worry about it, but you will need to apply a base if you're leaving your nails on. I always say apply that base coat, baby. Just apply your base coat. All right, so this is what 162 looks like. It's got that gorgeous purple shimmer. And that's going to be our nail bed color. Well, on a few of the nails anyway. So you're going to take that color and you're just going to give your nail bed area a little bit of sparkle. And I'm just going to pull mine up a little further. Just going to go up a little bit, just like that. And just stop. I'm just stopping right there. I'm going to do that on every other nail. Just go up so far. And just stop. Just like that. Just stop. You're just gonna stop. Now, if you want to, you can feather it up into the nail, but you really don't have to. We're gonna take the cat eye, number 43, and we're gonna do the same thing with this. And this cat eye is a beautiful shimmery purple. So on the remaining nails, I'm just gonna take that beautiful cat eye and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just bringing that up so far and stopping. Bring that up so far. Gonna go in with it like this and kind of give it like that moon shape, like a planet or whatever, just like that. And then again on this one, just like that. And go ahead and give that a full cure. Once that is completely cured, now it's time. I'm gonna seal everything in with a top coat first. So I'm gonna go in with my SXC top coat. Oh, you guys gotta see this when I top coat. It is beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oof. All right. You're just gonna go ahead and top coat all the nails, seal your free edge. Aquarius, in the year 2022, you will achieve great things in life with persistence and strong resolve. You will be a little pressurized throughout the year, but do not let it stop you from reaching the goals that you have set in the previous years. You will receive enormous benefits in the year 2022. Happy birthday, Aquarius. Go ahead and give that a full 60-second cure. All right, once they have all been top coated, everything is sealed in. Now we can go in with our bling and bling these babies up. Here are our blings. Now I did not use the dangles, but you know. So most of these are from Shein, some are from Enail Couture. This is not an actual coin, it was a dangle, and I clipped the top part off. And I am going in with my Burano rhinestone glue. This stuff works really good. I like it. I like it a lot. About right here. Put a dollop, and that's where the coin is gonna go. Put that right there. You're gonna flash cure that on there. Aquarius is the water carrier. Put a dollop of that gel. Gorgeous, large, big bling gems. Go ahead and flash cure that on there. I got these from Totally Nail Supply on Instagram, but I have found them recently on AliExpress for a lot cheaper. So I will leave links below. All right, same with this one. Now with this one, I have one of these, and with my longer nail, I think I'm gonna put one here, and one here. Make sure that they are kind of centered, you know, the best that you can center them. Go ahead and flash cure those on there. Okay, same. Now with this one, I'm gonna do a little different. We're gonna put the name Aquarius on here. Take some of the gel and we're gonna go all the way down with it. And then I'm also gonna put one by the cuticle, the one that we have on the other side. Put that there. And let's put our Aquarius name right on top of that gel. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the light real quick. And we're going to go all the way down the nail. So here we go. Grab a little star. Place it. Alright, go ahead and make sure it's kind of centered before you cure it. Okay, I've got the stars on there. I'm going to go ahead now and give it a full cure. All right, last but not least, let's go ahead and grab our cuticle oil. We have it. We have the short nail style and we have the long nail style. The only difference on this hand is we have the Aquarius name. And that's it. Everything else is the same. So there you go. It just goes to show you can do short nails just like you can long nails. They can be the exact, they can be pretty close to very similar anyways. So let me know what you guys think. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you think of this idea. I don't know if anybody else has done it on YouTube, but if they have, kudos to them. I think it's a brilliant idea. It's very fun. It gets you out of your comfort zone for sure. It gets you, you know, doing stuff that you wouldn't normally do. I love it. I had a ball doing it. Alright guys, I will let you go. Please don't forget to head on over to Tia Bella Beauty's channel. Check her out. Let her know that I sent you if you've never went over there. She does amazing nails. Definitely go check her out. Tia, once again, thank you for collaborating with me. Can't wait to do it for March because March is my sign and my birthday. So I can't wait. Alright guys, with that said, sending you all love and light. Have a wonderful, blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one.